Hello everyone, I am Rupali Mishram. Today we are going to see Standard 3rd Environmental Studies, Chapter number 2, So Many Kinds of Animals. Let's see the first content. Can you tell? You will easily recognize the animals in the picture. Tell their names and also their special features. If you will see here, sparrow, parrot, deer, snake and elephant are given in this picture. Let's see what are the special features of these animals. Sparrow have beautiful voice. Parrot, they are smart, and also parrot can imitate sounds. If we will talk about elephant load can be carried from one place to another places. About deer have great hearing sense and great sense of smell. Snakes help serve our farms from attack of rat and other insects. Can you tell? Name us animals that fly in the sky. Crow, pigeon, parrot, eagle, etc. are the animals that can fly in the sky. Animals that live in water. Fish, frog, crocodile, snakes. They can live in water. Next, animals that are black. Crow, bears, buffalo, they are black. Animals that have many colors. Kingfisher, macaw and peacock. Very large animals. Elephant, giraffe. Very tiny animals as like ant, cockroach. Where will you find us? An eagle flies high in the sky. Eagle, we will find eagle in sky. A cow walks on the ground. So as surrounding to us, we will find the cow. Fish swim in water. So as where the water reserves will be there we will find the fish. In river, in ocean, in ponds, we will find the fishes. We are of different colors. The egret is white, the crow is black, the buffalo too is black, but the peacock has many different colors. Yes, if you will observe the nature, each and every animal is different. Its looks, its color is totally different. Its features are also different as we had seen in the first content. Here you will see the egret that is in white color and it looks different than the buffalo and then the peacock. If you will observe the buffalo, it is totally black and it is different from peacock and egret and other animal. If you will see the peacock, in peacock there are many colors. So as like peacock, no any other animals are colorful. We may be big, we may be small. The horse and the bullock are large in size. The goat and the dog are of medium size. The mouse and the squirrel are small. The earthworm and the cockroach are smaller still. Nuts and ants are very tiny indeed. Let's see what they are saying. If we will observe surrounding to us, some animals are small, some animals are big. If you will talk about horse and bullock, they are large in size. And if you will talk about a goat and dog, comparative to horse and bullock, they are small or medium in size. And the smaller animals are the mouse, squirrel, earthworm, ants and gnats. These are the animals which are small in size. Can you tell which animals run very fast? Maybe you know cheetah and horse. These are the two animals which can run very fast. Which animals move very slowly? So as we all know about the story, turtle is very slow. We move in different ways. A squirrel is a small animal. It is nimble. It climbs up a tree quickly and swiftly runs along its branch. So as you had seen the speed about squirrel from one place, as squirrel, it is a small animal and it is a nimble, due to which squirrel can quickly climb the tree and also swiftly it runs in the branches of the tree. The elephant's body is bulky, means large. Its legs are heavy. The elephant cannot run at any great speed. So as comparing to squirrel, we will see elephant's body is too large and also its legs are too heavy. The elephant that cannot run at any great speed, with a medium speed or very low speed, the elephant can run. The deer has thin legs, it runs very fast. Yes, we all know everyone that deer, it has very thin legs and it can run very fast. A frog's hind legs are long, so it can easily hop, jump and leap. So you can see the back legs of a frog are very long, due to which it gets grip and it can easily hop, jump and leap. Why do we keep cows? So as to do animal husbandry, we keep the cow. Also to collect milk from cow and to sell it and to earn money. Name some other animals that are useful to us. So here sheep, hen, horse, goat and many other animals are useful to us. Why do we not like it if there are mice or bedbugs in our house? Yes, we don't like in any situation if there is any mice, that is rat, and bedbugs in our house, because mice makes hole in wall and bedbugs, they damage the furniture. So as we do not like if there are mice and bedbugs in our house. You find us useful. People love to keep animals. The dog guards our house. People like to keep cats. 2 cows and buffaloes and goats gives us milk. Some people keep hen. We get milk, meat, milk and eggs from animals. So as if you will see, many people, they love to keep the animals. The dog which guards our house. Also people like to keep cat, cow, buffalo and goat. They give us milk. Some people keep hen. We can get meat, that is chicken, and egg from hen. Also we can get milk from buffalo and cow, from sheep also. Bullocks helps with farm work. Hitched to a cart, they can draw heavy burdens too. Horses and donkeys too are used to carry burdens. So as donkeys and horses and bullocks, they can be helpful to us. As like bullock, for farming purpose, we can make use of bullocks. And also to draw heavy burdens from one place to another places, we use donkey and horses, so that easily we can carry our material from one place to another place. We look after the animals we keep. We feed them, we take care of them when they are ill. The animals we keep become very dear to us. So as animals, as like a family member, we take care of them. We give food to them. Also we take care when they are ill. The animals we keep, they become dear to us. They become close to us. We love them. So the remaining content we are going to discuss tomorrow. In next period, let's see what we had studied in this chapter. In first content, we had seen some animals, they are small, some animals are large in size, some animals they crawl on the ground. Also we had seen some animals, they are different. Some animals they fly in sky, some move on ground, some are seen in the water. Some animals, all animals, they are different from each other. Their shape, size, color, that is totally different than the other animals. Very large to very tiny animals are seen surrounding to us. As like eagle, it flies in the sky. Crow, that flies in the sky. Sparrow, all birds, they fly in the sky. A cow walks on the ground. All animals like cow, buffalo, peacock, elephant, giraffe, tiger, deer, bear, they all are seen on the ground. In water, fish, crocodile, snake, these are seen in the water. And we have seen the differences in the colors. Yes, just we had discussed. Some animals, they are having a single color like buffalo. Some are having two colors like dog. Some dogs, they are having two colors. Some are white and brown, some are black and white, and etc. Some birds, they are having a single color like a egret. It is having a single color. But some animals, they are colorful as like peacock, macaw and kingfisher. Some animals, they are big, some animals are medium and some animals are tiny. As big, under this horse, bullock, elephant, it will come under the large in size, and in medium in size, dog, goat, sheep, this will come under medium size. The mouse and the squirrel, they will come under the small one, and it will also come under very tiny animals. Nuts and ants, it will come under very tiny animal. Which animal run very fast? In that we had seen cheetah, giraffe and deer. This can be, cheetah, horse and deer. They can run very fast. Which animals move very slow? Turtle, it moves very slow. That is tortoise. All animals, they are different. Some can run very fast. Some animals, they can run with very slow speed, and some can run very fast as like deer due to its thin legs, and due to different size of legs as like frog. The hind legs are very long, due to which the frog can easily hop, jump and leap. Also we had seen some of the animals, they give us milk, and some animals, they are useful to us. As like to do animal husbandry, we make use of animals. We keep hen, goat, sheep, cow, buffalo, so that they can be helpful to us, and also we can earn money from them. We can sell their meat, milk and eggs and also small animals to other people, and we can earn the money. Also, the animals which we are going to keep at our home, we take care of them, we love them, we give food, water to them, and also they become dear to us. So in this way, we had completed the first part of this chapter. The remaining content we will see in the next period. That's all for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for my latest notification. Thank you.